This is why they can't wear masks. This is why they need to be in uniform and not wearing plain clothes. Because people like this exist. And you want me to just trust when some guy in plain clothes comes up to me and says, "Oh, I'm a government agent, you need to come with me right now." Because here's what happens. This woman found herself in this situation. And what does she do? Does she resist? In case he's lying, which he was? And risk getting beat down by ICE agents? Or does she comply and get raped because he's not a fucking ICE agent? If you're gonna have the balls to snatch people off the street, do it in uniform and show your goddamn face. This is why. This is why. And honestly, I don't think there's anything else that needs to be said about it. This is why.